So you've been in the crypto game for a little bit, you're swapping tokens like a champ, and then you hear this magic word, perps. And you might be thinking to yourself, wait, what even is a perp? Welcome to the deep end of crypto. This is leverage trading, but done Jupiter style. Fast, smooth, no KYC, get into the game instantly. Now, if you've never traded perps before, don't stress. I'm gonna walk you through it step by step. I'm gonna show you how to long, how to short, how to set stop losses, and how to actually read the dang chart as well. Let's make you dangerous in a good way. This is Jupiter's Perpetual trading platform, where you can go long or short on Sol, ETH, or Bitcoin directly on Solana, right from your wallet. It's fully integrated into Jupiter's ecosystem, so you already know that it's smooth. Opening a trade is super easy. First, just click on the Perps tab at jupe.ag, then pick your market at the top left. You'll see options including Sol, ETH, and Bitcoin. These are the three majors that 99% of people want to be trading on leverage. Choose long if you think the price is going to go up, and choose short if you think the price is going to go down. Then type in your collateral size and pick your leverage. This is a really important step. The higher the leverage, the closer the liquidation price, at which point your trade will be closed and you'll lose your initial collateral. Basically, more risk, but more reward. Finally, you can use a market order to get in right away. As soon as you click buy, it'll try to buy it. Or you can use a limit order if you want to buy it when it hits a particular price level instead. More on that in 1 second. So hit open long or open short, and boom, you are in the game. Before I tell you a little bit more about limit orders, do me a personal favor. Hit that subscribe button. If you like trading in crypto, whether you're new or been doing it for a while, you're going to enjoy a lot of the content this channel has to offer. Okay, advertisement over. Anyway, do you want to trade on autopilot? Let me show you how. Limit orders let you control your entry price. Say Solana's at $150, but you only want in if it hits $145. Option one, you just sit in front of your computer until the price finally drops. That's the lame way. That's the old way. The new way, the cool way, is you just set a limit order at 145. Then as soon as the price hits that, your trade will automatically open. You can see all of your limit orders in one easy place under the Open Orders tab. Now, I gotta tell you, risk management is crucial, particularly if you're trading with leverage. So you wanna make sure that you're able to set some stop losses and some take profits. These will automatically close parts of your trade depending on when your price targets are reached. This is a safer, better way to trade. You can systematize your approach, and you don't need to have your eyes bleeding by staring at the computer screen all day. It's a pretty good thing. Okay, so let's imagine you've opened up a position. Now you just need to go to your positions tab right below the chart. If you click the pencil next to that position, you can then set the dollar amount. A stop loss is used to cut losses if the price moves against you. And a take profit is to lock in your profits once the price hits your target. Just type in your desired sell price and you're all set. And by the way, if you don't want to sell your entire position, there's also an option to add partial stop losses and partial take profits along the way as well. So really fine tune your strategies. My favorite part, everything updates in real time. Profit and loss or your P&L is visible right away. So now you know the basics. Congratulations on graduating into perp land. But if you want to trade like a pro, you really want to add different indicators and strategies and start to do your analysis directly within perps, we got you covered. All you need to do is click on the function indicator settings button and add whatever you like, whether that's moving averages, Bollinger Bands, MACD, anything at all. There's tons of other great YouTube videos on that stuff that you can find. Whatever you vibe with, just add it onto the chart, make it make sense for you. And there you have it. You started this video not knowing anything about perps, and you end this like a certified degen. My advice, start small, play around, respect the leverage, and remember, use stop losses and don't overexpose yourself. So if this helped, hit that like button, drop us a follow, and you're going to find more content like this over time. If you want to get better at trading on Solana, this is the channel you need to be at. Stay safe out there.